Welcome to chemistry. My name is Mrs. Stern and I will be your teacher this year. Very excited to see you guys. What I want to do is give you a quick overview of how to access the Chemistry Google Classroom. So we're going to connect using our laptops, and the first thing you need to do is go to Google, sign in, and get to your Google Classroom page. So once you've done that, yours is going to look a little different than mine. I have some classes on here, but the first thing you want to do for yours is you're going to add a new class. And so you're going to find that plus sign button, and it's going to give you two options: the join classroom and the click to create a class. Obviously you're going to join the class. Once you join the class, depending on what bell or period you have me, period 7 will use the code for period 7, and the period 8 code is for period 8. Make sure you are using the correct code, otherwise you're going to end up in the wrong class. Now, once you get to the class, you are going to see a lot of information. The first part I want you to get used to using on a regular basis is the classwork tab. So when you first sign into this class, go to that classwork tab and look for the assignments. They're going to be in a nice organized fashion, and it's just a lot easier than looking through the stream. Once you get to the classwork tab, you're going to see a list of activities, videos, and it's going to be the hub of where you can find information. So the first thing you come to is the introduction to chemistry, and this whole section here is going to give you introduction to the class, tools to connect, and how that progress tracker is going to work. So if there's ever a question, or maybe your parents would have a question, this is the place to show them and kind of be able to explain a little bit better how things go in this class. The welcome tool here that the arrow is pointing at is actually going to be this presentation. So you will see this again if you need to look at it and review. Then you have the actual units and lessons that come next. So you're going to have a running list of all the things that you need to do right here on the classwork page. So let's look into those units a little bit more. How are they structured? Well, the first thing you're going to see is that there is a set of must-do assignments. Those must-do assignments will be the first assignments that you work on in the unit. Once you have those assignments completed, then you can move on to the should-do assignments. We will go into detail as to how many of these to do for every lesson. And the next part is the enrichment. We'll always have an enrichment assignment near the end of the lesson, followed by a mastery test. So every lesson is going to have an opportunity for you to show me how well you understand the material. Let's look at one of the assignments. So after we click on the assignment, we want to click the actual link to the assignment to go forward and review what's next. Now, when you do these assignments, you'll have the opportunity to then submit them. It is a huge deal to submit your assignment. If you don't, you aren't going to get credit for it. So as soon as you are finished with something and you feel good about it, you want to submit it. All the assignments are listed so that you may do them in any order that you like. Now, that goes to say you should do the must-do assignments first, and you can choose the order in which you do them. It is a self-paced guide, and that's why all the assignments are already listed. And if you have any questions or need anything from me, I'm always here for you.